want know what? Do you want to wait to have a picnic, or you want your lunchbox up here? You want this closed like this?
Yeah, good luck with that.
I haven't tried that yet.
No, they're not. So what does that mean?
We're gonna have to pedal a little more.
Did you leave it on 4?
Safe and
Yeah, why do you touch it?
safe and resting.
Change it easily. I have to go to the
Which way?
Hard to hold this steady when you're out of breath. The same thing your sister said. Sure.
They're the ones that yell at you. Or to the left. To the left. To the left.
On the way back is going to be a breeze. Yeah.
Don't help right now.
No. How you doing, kid?
I feel it right here.
And make them smaller. Yeah, you can
Passing behind you.
How you doing? Hanging in there? How's Reed doing? Hanging in there, Reed?
So, how far would you say we just biked?
3.5 miles, and we have 3.5 on the way back. 7 miles total today.
Wow.